I'm sure you've heard the news. Trading success doesn't have to cost a fortune. Check out these free indicators. First up, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. RSI measures the speed and change of price movements, helping you spot overbought or oversold conditions. Next, we've got moving averages. Whether it's simple moving average, SMA, or exponential moving average, EMA, they smooth out price data to highlight trends. Ever heard of VWAP? The volume-weighted average price gives the average price of a stock throughout the day, considering both volume and price. Then, there's Bollinger Bands. These are volatility bands that help identify overbought or oversold conditions. Don't forget the MACD, the moving average convergence-divergence. It shows the relationship between two moving averages of a stock's price. Lastly, the stochastic oscillator. This compares a closing price to its price range over time, showing momentum. These indicators are free and available on most trading platforms. Use them to make smarter trading decisions today.